Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by killing power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a tester. This prevents shocks. Once done, clear the work area and lay out tools, screwdriver, stripper, wire nuts, so you don't fumble. Make sure you identify the house wiring. Label the hot, neutral, and ground. You do this because timer switches require proper neutral and hot connections. Misidentifying wires will cause the timer to fail or trip a breaker. Move to the switch box when power is confirmed off. You remove the old switch and keep track of which wire went where. A quick photo helps later. Next, match the timer leads to the house wires. Connect the timer hot lead to the supply hot, the timer neutral to the neutral bundle, and the timer ground to the metal box or ground conductor. Once connected, secure each connection with a properly sized wire nut and give a light tug to test. Make sure no bare copper is exposed. Electrical tape adds a second layer of safety. You fasten the timer into the box, restore power at the breaker, and follow the manual to set the initial clock and program. Then test manual on /off and verify scheduled operation across cycles. Listen for buzzing, watch for flicker, and confirm the load responds. If it fails, turn power off and recheck each connection, especially that the neutral is present and tight. If symptoms persist, reset the breaker and consult the timer manual. Faulty units or incorrect neutral wiring are common causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.